Hi, good evening everyone. I am Labdans and Happy New Year to all. So, 2025 has ended. What you have decided? What is your plan in 2026? How will you look 2026? So, still you are scared to learn English as you were getting scared in 2025. So do not escort. Decide it that I have to learn English in 2026 anyhow within 2 or 3 months. And one thing I want to tell you, just think about that. I do not want to fluent in English. I do not want to perfect in English. I want to better. I want to become better in English. So if you think like that, then absolutely you can learn English within 2 3 months. And do not think about your past that has gone. Think your future, what you want to achieve in 2026. And there are lots of opportunity in the world if you are really very keen, like if you are very passionate to learn something, if you give something, like if you give time on something, then 100% you will get result later. Not now, but later you will get it. Always keep in your mind, as much you will learn, that amount of money you will earn later. So it is very important that we should focus on our learning, our skill, then you can earn money a lot. So what is your plan, where you are going to in 2026 explore, and what you are doing at 1st January? I don't have any plan at 1st January, just usually what I used to do, I have to do, because I am not on off, so I have to go. So what is your plan? Tell me. And focus on yourself, because 1 year has gone of your life. So what you have dreamed, what you want to achieve, focus on that. And enjoy Happy New Year, and enjoy your day 1st January. I will also by the way, I'm not at home, I'm very far from home. I'm living in Bangalore, so it's not possible to go at home on 1st January. But you know very well, for making a money you have to do work. So that thing I'm also doing, and you should also do that thing. Then you can money. If you have money, then honey, or else nothing will happen. So focus on your self, focus on your life in 2026. Decide yourself what you have to achieve, target your goal, and make a note and work on that. Same thing I also will do. And let's see what happen later. And please support me in 2026. It has gone 25. I really try to improve myself a lot, and still I am working on myself. If I did anywhere wrong, if I mistake anything, and by mistakenly if I speaking anything wrong to anyone, or you hurt, then please oblige me for that. And in video if I did anything wrong. I understand I make video, I do lots of mistake while speaking or something else. So it is a human error, it can be happen with anyone. So please oblige me and support me to gain my YouTube channel. And who all are trying to learn English, please subscribe my channel and support me. And see you in next vlog with another topic very soon. Good night, bye, and enjoy your happy new year. Thank you.